Hey, welcome back, my sweet little unhinged cuties. You already know how we do it. So, I was heading to another city for an engagement. We won't get into who's, but drama always finds me. Anyways, I started with my classic backpack moment because if I don't overpack, am I even going anywhere? Then I showed you all my face, bare, strays, but still cute. And this was the outfit I picked for the journey. So I hopped on a train. It was afternoon. The sun was stunning, and your girl was zoning out. To be honest, my hair was just existing. I didn't touch it. No oil, no serum, just pure, simple vibe. Anyways, I reached the city around 4 p.m. and immediately got pampered by my cousin. She straightened my hair and looked at the transformation. One side salon and other side soggy ramen noodles. And here is the final look. Well, we watched a movie after this. Yes, we watched a movie. Don't even ask what it was. I was more into snacks than the plots. Then I randomly felt myself wearing specs. Yeah, because your girl can't see. And in between, I was so sleepy that I don't even realize when I actually fall asleep. And that's the story of my day. So let's get into new day, new strategy and drama. So woke up at 7 a.m. because the venue was an hour away, and yeah, girl needed to look put together and emotionally stable, which I was not. But fake it till you make it, right? So while I was getting ready, let me tell you this. One time in school, I tried to impress a guy during sports day. I thought I'd be do a cool sprint past him while flipping my ponytail like a Bollywood. Plot twist, my shoelace betrayed me. I tripped. I fell into the sandpit and ate enough dust to qualify as soil. He helped me up, but not without saying, "Bro, you okay?" I mean, bro, really? That was the end of my crush and my sprinting career. Anyway, back to real life. I wore this cute pink floral suit with some silver diamond accessories. I kept it minimal. Off camera, I just did my lipstick and popped a bindi, the desi cherry on top. Left for the venue, survived the emotional gymnastics, ate some sweets, smiled at strangers, and showed a few clips for you all. Here is a glimpse. And around 9:40, we left for the station. Got my train PM train, got window seat, and just started my night like a dramatic indie film. And that was my chaotic little journey, trains, emotions, and strangers. If you were still here, comment ramen here because you know the struggle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this main character energy deserves some love. Bye bye. See you in the next one.